Yes.
Thank you. That's good. So as I said, we can state a easy to learn. That's what I show you is easy to learn. Okay, and highly readable. Okay, so we can see we have many key features that is applicable in Python programming, which is code readability. Python focus on clear and simple syntax for easy programmer with a few lines of code. That's what I show you. Where they have 137,000 built-in libraries, we can use that for our programming. Code reusability, we no need to reproduce the code again. Strong developer community, wide applications that run on the Python programming. Okay, moving on. So flexibility in Python can help you to run in Mac OS, Linux, Windows, even in mobile operating system. It can install in official website, package manager, any virtual environment. Very lightweight, not that heavy. Support multiple version and also portable version available as well to run your Python. And also it's a quick installation guide. You can go to this Python website to download the Python, but at the moment we are not going into that option because our workshop is just 2 hours. I don't want to waste my time installing the Python. So but if you want to install, I'm give you the link also. You can refer to there. There is enough resources are available. You can download from there. Okay, but at the moment I'm not doing that. Okay, so you can refer to this particular link, and we have option to download the Python where you can run from your local machine. So moving on. So as I said again, in 2024 programming language breakdown, if you see in US that's have a job opening, Python was the highest one where they were managed to see almost 80,000 plus job that's required Python skill. And also most demand programming language in number of jobs. First one Java, second one Python. Still they are in the top. Okay, you can Google it all and find this information. Okay, moving on. What is Python used for? Python used for not just only to do 2 plus 2 4. Okay, which is used for web development, data science project, machine learning. Okay, I believe you may know what is machine learning. We have a machine learning. Then we have artificial intelligence, web scraping. All these things places Pythons are used not only there to automate many of the tasks. That's also Python used for the mobile development, game development, and also desktop development. Python programmings are used. As you move into it, you will get lots of error. Coding is all about trial and error. Now you have a ChatGPT as an additional supporting companion for your learning curve. Don't be afraid when the moment you see the error message. Read the error message to understand, copy the error message, put it in a Google, put it in a ChatGPT to see. You guys are so lucky. I want to go back and study now. Okay, so which can help you in understanding this